So here we are, we're almost at 2.5 hours, just a little bit to go. We got our top vent about there. We are holding now currently there. And let's go over here to our side box. Oops, sorry about the fingers. And there we go, a little bit more open there. What we've learned, this is our first time using the grill, was that the Kingsford Long Burn, here's some more of the ashes in there, about 10 briquettes or about half a pound will give us mostly an hour in the side box and in here. And you can see our latest refill, those are not fully ignited or lit. But let's look at our seasoning. So here's our lid. You can see the yellow tarnish varnish. That's not bad. This is our first time. I apologize for the camera, but if you can see the back part there and some down there through the grates. Here's a little bit better through the grates. I don't think the grates have gotten much darker since the cooking in the oven, but they are seasoned. They're not going to rust, and in time they're going to get better. So when we started this, it was about 60 degrees and about 70% humidity. We are now at about 60 degrees and 50% humidity. We had rain all day yesterday, and now we have the cold air from the north coming in on us. So our first attempt, or first seasoning, you could tell we did get some varnish on there, so we're good there. We are going to come back on it on probably a couple days and do some more grilling and add more seasoning to it. But what we're going to do right now is we're going to stoke it up a little bit more and cook us some steaks and chops. And I did want to mention, of course, again, thank you for Char Griller for giving me this opportunity to move from the Acorn and learn and offset grilling and use the new 2022 Wrangler. You know, everybody with a grill and a YouTube site makes all kind of videos. We're not going to do that. What this will be is the learning process of the different ways to cook, direct, indirect, some low and slow. We're going to run through the paces of the Wrangler. A lot of it will be, say, cooking in the main chamber, and then some of the low and slow with the fire in the side box. Of course, I'm more experienced with charcoal briquettes, and we're going to be using that because, you know, you don't want to change too many variables, or you don't know what impacted what you've done. And then, of course, we will probably go to some of the lump for our offset. But I just want to give you an expectations of what we'll be doing. They'll be posted here and there as we're going through it. So I'm going to pause right here. We're going to change gears, throw in some regular Kingsford Blue, because we got some ribeyes and some pork sirloin chops we need to be grilling. So I appreciate you tuning in, and thank you for your time.